a message to every teen girl and her mom. A message every teen girl and her mom needs this Christmas. We're heading into a time of year full of highlight reels, perfect family photos, glamorous parties, and everyone looking flawless on social media. And for our daughters, that comparison trap feels heavier than ever. I've watched it steal joy from girls that I love. Scrolling turns into I'm not enough. Likes become self-worth, and filters become the standard. But it doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm giving you, moms, aunts, mentors, and teen girls watching, practical, faith-rooted ways to build confidence that doesn't rise and fall with a post. Confidence that's anchored deep, lasting, and real. Let's protect their hearts this season and in every season. The problem that we're facing, social media isn't all bad. It connects, inspires, and creates opportunities. But for teen girls, the constant comparison is brutal. Studies show links to anxiety, depression, body image issues, and it's not getting any better. I've had girls tell me, I feel ugly when I don't edit my photos. Or if I don't get enough likes, I'll just delete the post and then feel worse. I compare my real life to everyone else's highlight reel. Moms, I know you see it too. The mood swings, the scrolling, the sudden insecurity, and the pressure to perform. This Christmas, let's choose something different for them. I remember one night, one of my daughters came down after being on her phone, her eyes red. She said, Mom, why does everyone else look so perfect? My heart broke. That moment, it lit a fire in me to fight for her identity and for every girl watching this, because true confidence isn't built on likes. It's built on truth. Speak life-giving words daily. Words shape their identity more than any filter ever could. Start a new habit this Christmas. Intentional affirmation rooted in who she is in Christ and who God uniquely made her to be. Some examples: you are fearfully and wonderfully made exactly as you are. Your kindness lights up a room more than any photo ever could. God gave you that laugh, that mind, and that heart, and it's beautiful. Say it out loud. Write it on a note and slip it in her stocking and under her pillow. Teen girls watching, say these to yourself in the mirror. Here's why it works. Spoken truth, it rewires the lies that comparison feeds. We did blessing notes one Christmas, little slips with specific encouragements. Curate her feed and create offline wins. Confidence grows when we feed it the right things. Here's some practical steps. Together, unfollow accounts that make her feel less than, even the nice ones. Follow creators who share real life, faith, talent, and kindness. Set firm, phone-free zones or times, especially around bedtime and meals. Intentionally create offline confidence boosters. Sign her up for something that she's good at: art, sports, worship team. Plan one-on-one mother-daughter time and dates together where the phones stay in the car. Celebrate real-life wins loudly. You've handled the hard conversations so maturely. This Christmas, give her an experience. Concert tickets, a class, a journal, something that will build up her confidence away from the screen. Anchor her identity in Christ first. The deepest confidence comes from knowing who she is and whose she is. Make faith the foundation. Read together verses about identity. Ephesians 2:10, we are created as God's masterpiece, his workmanship. 1 Samuel 16:7, man looks at the outward appearance, but God, he looks at the heart. Pray over her and out loud. Lord, help her see herself as you see her, beloved, worthy, chosen, his child, his daughter, an heir, and share your own story. I used to chase the approval of others online as well, and here's how God freed me. When her worth is rooted in being a daughter of God, social media loses its power. It becomes a tool and not a tyrant. Moms, you have much more influence than any influencer ever will. Teen girls, you are already enough right now, unfiltered, unedited, loved beyond measure. This Christmas, let's give our girls and ourselves the gift of real confidence, not the kind that fades when the likes stop coming, the kind that shines brighter in the quiet, in the real, in the everyday moments. Now imagine your daughter walking into the new year knowing deep down that her worth isn't up for vote. That's the gift we can give her, and it starts with us. Moms, would you comment below? What's one way you're going to speak life into your daughter this week? And teen girls, what's one truth that you're claiming about yourself today? Let's flood the comments with encouragement. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Would you hit the subscribe and bell so you don't miss our next video on healing from burnout when you feel completely exhausted? And if you want personalized help walking your daughter or yourself through confidence, comparison, identity struggles, my half-price Clarity Hour spots are still open this week. We're raising world changers. Keep speaking life. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the comments.